2. Such a great celebration. You gotta love it. By the way, this is day 118 of posting a mini hoop clip until a player or team account from every NBA team comments. 20 down, 10 to go. We can do this.
9 to 10. 9 to 10.
Oh no! Big dog. Oh!
Screen.
I'll give you one shot from right there. And 1! Oh no, no! No, Quinn got it! 25 seconds left!
Bruh.
Fake. No, 10 seconds left.
Bruh.
Oh no. 5, 4, 3, 2. Holding that.